आम्ही संसदेत महत्त्वाचे मुद्दे काढतात तेन्ना सभागृहाचे कामकाज स्थगित करतात. नुस्त्याचे माफिया गोंयकारांक मारतात. फॉर्मेलिनाचो वापर करून गोंयकारांच्या भलायके कडेन खेळटात. अशा खर प्रस्नांचेर केंद्र आनी राज्य सरकारान कारवाय करपाचो वेळ आयला म्हण लुइझिनो फालेरो उलयला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Every day we raise issues in the parliament, and it's so frustrating that every day the house gets adjourned. Today I had raised a very important issue of fish mafia killing Goans. Fish curry and rice is the staple food of Goans. Fish curry once upon a time was a poor man's diet. Today is a rich man's luxury. Goa has got 100 kilometers of coast and 11 mighty rivers originating from the Western Ghats to the Arabian Sea. Goa, nearly 200,000 metric tons of fish is caught annually. 90% of it is sent out. Hardly 10% reaches for the consumers. And at the same time, nearly 200 truckloads of fish is coming from outside with formalin, laced with formalin. And the scourge of cancer is killing Goans. Formalin is poison. The government of India and the government of Goa had promised that they would put a state-of-art laboratories. But today, these merchants of greed, merchants of evil, and merchants of death, the fish mafia is killing Goans. I am asking, since I could not raise this in the parliament, I am asking the voice of the people to understand that the such issues which are very important to the people of Goa must be raised and the government of India must take action.